you gonna make for
my quick hit video?
For your granddaughter today? Because you're not making anything for me.
Well, true.
Well,
I am after this.
okay.
So, okay, I'm going to make some French toast eggs. But I've been told that I have to do a more traditional one for my granddaughter with just the eggs. So we're going to do hers first.
Without beer.
Without, and then we're going to make a beer batter and fry the rest of them that way.
All right.
So, I got 2 eggs in here. Free range.
Are they? Oh, dude. Well, you took the package away.
I took the package away because, like, they really need to see what eggs look like.
Okay, what you got there? There's some artisan bread?
I got me some artisan bread. I'll tell you what type it is. Wrap it back up. From HEB's bakery, made today. This is Country White, scratch made.
Okay, cool.
I wanted to cut it myself so I can get some good sized sticks.
Sure. That's what's good about being able to buy that stuff in bakery settings.
Yeah, because I mean, you could take this to them if you don't want to cut it yourself and you want nice even slices. Just bring it up to them and put it in the machine. They'll cut it for you. Or you can do this yourself.
Yeah, so it's just like the fishmonger, only it's a bakery monger.
It's a bakery. It's my bread monger.
That's right.
Always pay well.
Bread monger.
Tip well.
Yeah, tip your bread
Tip
monger.
your bread mongers.
That's right.
Gonna make it a little more even.
We may have just pissed off the whole pastry chef world.
We should be getting tips for this?
No, it's like bread monger. That's what I was thinking about.
What, they're gonna come after us?
They might.
We're gonna have the pastry mafia come after us?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We're going to dip.
Does anything else go in there? Or is it just eggs?
Just eggs.
Really?
Well, it's supposed to be probably a little sugar too, but I'm gonna put the powdered sugar on afterwards. So.
Oh, okay. So this is it. You just do eggs.
That's
and
it. I'm just dropping this baby in.
Eggs, and then you sprinkle it with powdered sugar.
Yep.
Wow.
And they're gonna dip it in maple syrup or
I
fake maple syrup.
mean, that's
Oh,
easy.
you missed a side. There you are.
That's like really easy.
Yeah.
I like the easy.
Well, I make French toast for my wife, man. You gotta get the cinnamon out and.
Oh well, yeah.
You know.
I'm sorry. I do need to add some cinnamon to it.
Yeah, they float. That's the problem.
There's a floater. Yeah, but they're gonna cook fast. So.
Oh yeah, I bet. Those look good. Looks like French toast to me.
Gonna get everywhere anyway.
Yeah, it does. But that gets it kind of even on there, though.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Be careful, man. Cinnamon is some powerful stuff.
We have a mountain of cinnamon.
Nice.
Yeah, skip that
You're gonna
spot.
give her the cinnamon challenge.
It's gonna burn, man. It's gonna burn.
That's better.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna hide it with a little more sugar. Nothing to see here.
There you go.
Well, I would take them in there pretty soon here before they get cold.
But for presentation purposes,
Oh, it looks great. Look at that, man. It's got them a little.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of syrup for 2 French toast.
No, it's
But you
not.
gotta dip it in, I guess.
No, that's not a lot of syrup.
All right.
I love me
Here,
some syrup.
let me get this. Nice.
Look at that.
Yeah,
us
folks.
We may have just pissed off the whole pastry chef world.
We should be getting tips for this?
No, it's like fucking bread monger. That's what I was thinking.
What, they're gonna come after us?
They might.
We're gonna have the pastry mafia come after us?
Yeah, yeah.